Falling, I can't get up.
I can't get up.
Falling, I can't get up.
Hey,
Falling, I can't get up.
girl.
Falling, I can't get up. No, I can't get up. I can't get up. No, I can't get up. I can't get up. No, I can't get up. I can't get up. I can't get up.
I hope you find yourself, cause girl, I found this love. I think I'm falling for you, baby, I don't wanna be caught. I know your friends be hating on me, shit, you never listen. I thought I had it all, but finally found out what I'm missing. Long hair, those pretty eyes, a smile to light the night. So much love to give you, girl, I hope we never fight. I love your ass with no makeup on, it's God-given. The way you walk inside them hills got all these bitches tripping. Man, because they ain't you. The reason why they hate you was with me from the jump, and that's the reason I'ma stay true. Already got your section dedicated in my Grammy speech, and every time we stepping out, we looking like it's Grammy week. They say behind every good man stands a better lady, and better days are on the way. Right now this life is crazy. We'll settle down, I'll take care of you, cause you deserve it. I know it's real, cause even my mama thinks that you'll be perfect. And now I'm falling for you, and I don't wanna be caught, cause this shit feels so right. Yeah. Forever yours, SuperiorTrickshotting. Girl, I love the way you laugh when you're high. When you're high. Girl, I love the way you smile when you're high. When you're high. I just wanna make you mine. Girl, I just wanna make you mine. Girl, I just wanna make you mine. But is that too much to ask? Is that too much to ask?